Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got 4 more Heroine NYC polishes, and I just had to share the live swatches of them because they are so perfect for the summer. And today I've got Watch Me Sparkle, Empowerment, Peach Please, and Mean Girl. So let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Up first is Watch Me Sparkle, which is a silver scattered holographic glitter polish. I loved the gold version of this, which was Gold Digger, and this one is also so pretty. It has a bunch of silver holographic glitters suspended in a clear base, and it took me 3 coats to reach full opacity, and just like the gold version, this one does dry pretty matte and pretty thirsty. So what I did was I added a glossy glitter smoothing top coat as well as a glossy top coat. So here are 3 coats of Watch Me Sparkle with the glossy top coat. And with a flashlight and with my nails out of focus, you can really see that scattered holographic sparkle. And here's just another shot using my desk lamps and no flashlight. The second polish I have is called Empowerment, which is a pastel mint cream polish. Heroine NYC does cream so well, and this one was no exception. It was so creamy and so easy to apply, and it was perfectly opaque in 2 coats for me. So here are 2 coats of Empowerment. Next up is Peach Please, which is a pastel neon peach cream polish, and I know that kind of sounds like an oxymoron, but it is just such a perfect bright color for the summer. And it was a little hard to get this one super color accurate in these videos, but I tried my best, and I think this is probably more like a 2-coater, but for some reason on the one nail that I filmed, I felt like I needed just 1 extra coat, so on this nail I did 3 coats, but on my other nails I did 2. So here are 3 coats of Peach Please. And last but not least is Mean Girl, which is a neon pink cream polish, and this is exactly the shade that I think of when I think neon pink. This one also had such a good formula. It was completely opaque in 2 easy coats. So here are 2 coats of Mean Girl. So here's one more look at the swatches of the 4 Heroine NYC polishes that I swatched in the video. As always, I'll leave some links down below if you're interested. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials. So be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you missed some of my other Heroine NYC swatch videos, you can click the card that's on your screen or the link down below. But anyways, that's all for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!